Take an inventory of all the activities you have in your life. Start with your career, but also identify outside of work, on a personal note. What kind of activities do you engage in? Is it socializing with friends? Is it reading? Is it exercising? Whatever those things may be, think about them and which of those activities really give you a sense of satisfaction and personal renewal. For all of us, we work pretty hard, and it's one of the challenges to allocate enough time and fit in all the other things we want to accomplish in our life. But without doing that, we're not going to be ultimately fulfilled and get as much out of our life across the board, our career and our work life. So focus in on those activities that give you a real sense of personal satisfaction, and then identify how you can spend 15 to 20 more minutes at least each week, or maybe even each day, to invest in those things that give you an effective sense of work-life balance.